Altered Physiology, Mechanisms of Disease 1, Week 10, Episode 4 on the alterations in the urinary system. In this particular episode, we will talk about kidney stones, which are one example of an upper urinary tract obstruction that can form. Specifically, kidney stones are masses of crystals, protein, or other substances that can form within and obstruct the urinary tract. Kidney stones are classified according to the minerals that make up the stone. The most common kidney stone is formed from calcium oxalate and most often causes an obstruction by lodging or forming within the ureters, thereby preventing the passage of urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Kidney stones are also caused by a supersaturation of the urine with precipitation of stone-forming substances, as well as changes in urine pH or a urinary tract infection. Let's have a look at some of the risk factors for the development of kidney stones. While anyone can get a kidney stone, some people might be more likely to have them. For example, men tend to be more likely to have a kidney stone than women. Kidney stones tend to be more common in non-Hispanic Caucasian individuals than in individuals of other ethnicities. Fluid intake may also affect one's risk for kidney stones. For example, individuals who do not consume enough water. As well, individuals who consume a diet in high protein, sodium, and/or sugar may be more likely to develop kidney stones. There are other factors not listed on the screen here that may also be associated with a higher risk of kidney stones. Genetic predisposition, obesity, polycystic kidney disease, any conditions that may cause swelling or irritation within the bowel, or if you're taking certain medications such as diuretics. Now, as I mentioned on a preceding slide, the formation of the kidney stone itself involves the supersaturation of one or more substances, which are salts. The presence of a salt in a higher concentration than the volume able to dissolve the salt will lead to, once again, that higher concentration or saturation of salts. Individuals can have precipitation of a salt from a liquid to a solid state. This can be affected by temperature and pH. The crystallization or the aggregation of these salts may lead to the growth of a kidney stone. Now, there are other factors affecting stone formation, including crystal growth inhibiting substances, particle retention, and the matrix. As I mentioned in the preceding slides, the most common substance that is found in a kidney stone will be calcium oxalate. There are a number of other substances, though, that may contribute. On this last slide, we look at treatment for kidney stones. Notably, individuals with kidney stones tend to develop renal colic, and that essentially is a type of pain you get when urinary stones block a portion of the urinary tract. Therefore, pain management is one treatment. Increasing fluid intake, adjusting the pH of the urine by decreasing the dietary intake of stone-forming substances, as well as stone removal, are all possible treatment options. Imaging studies, as well as 24-hour urine analysis, so the collection of urine over a 24-hour period, may all contribute to evaluation and clinical management. And that concludes this episode.